Hello, today is our topic about a NAXAP problem using dynamic programming. In this we'll see how to find the maximum value of subset and maximum profit using NAXAP using dynamic programming. So first here we have given our header files and using namespace std, and here we have given our int max. Inside this max we have given int a comma int b. Here if a is greater than b, then it will return a or else it will return a b. And here we have given an NAXAP. Inside this NAXAP we have given int n and value of array and weight of array and int capacity, and here we have given int I comma w, where w equals to capacity. Then int, here we have given b of n plus 1 and w plus 1, and here we have given a for loop. Inside this for loop it is w equals to 0 and small w is less than or equals to w and w increment. Then it will starts with 0, where it is b of 0 and w equals to 0. Then in this for loop we have given I equals to 0 and I less than or equals to n and I increment. Here also b of I and 0 equals to 0, and in this and here in this for loop we have given I equals to 1, then I is less than or equals to n, I increment, and this for w equals to 1, w small w less than or equals to w increment. And here if the weight of I minus 1 is less than or equals to w, the maximum values will be I minus 1 plus b of I minus 1 and weight w minus weight of I minus 1 and b of I minus 1 of w. If w is not less than if it is not less than or equals to w, then it will be b of I w, it will be b of I minus 1 of w. And now in here the table, inside this we have given the for loop int j equals to 0, j less than or equals to n and j increment, and here the int w equals to 0, the small w less than or equals to w and w increment the whole table, and the maximum values will be int max value equals to b of n and w, and int t of n. And in this for loop we have given int k equals to n and k is greater than 0 and maximum value is also greater than 0, and here if the maximum value is equal to b of I minus 1 of x, then it will continue, or else it will be t of I minus 1 equals to 1. The maximum value equals to maximum value minus value of I minus 1, and here the x is equals to x minus weight of I minus 1. Then here's the items has taken items taken. Inside this for loop we have given int j equals to 0, j is less than n and j increment, and here in this int main. Now inside this main we have given int n comma I, then it will ask to enter the number of items. Then we have here int value, here the value is 10 and weight of array is 10 and capacity, and will ask to enter the values. And in this for loop I equals to 0, I is less than n and I increment, and it will ask to it will take from the user, and it will ask to enter the weight, and again it will take from the user, and it will ask to enter the capacity, and it will take from the user, and the NAXAP will be then n comma value comma weight comma capacity. Now we'll run the code. It asks to enter the number of items. I'll give 4. Now it asks to enter the values. I will give 3, 6, 7, 8. Then it asks to enter the weight. Then I will give 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it asks to enter the capacity. Give 10. Then it has printed the table, and the maximum value is 24. The items have taken 1 1 1. The maximum value here, it is 24. Then it has printed the maximum value as 24. The program is executed successfully. Thank you.